Well, the split sleeves are used to repair an active leak in a pipeline.
It is designed so you don't have to shut down your operation. So we keep you going, we keep you on stream.
We can bolt the sleeve on with the leak blowing.
It is designed so that you can make it a permanent repair.
The active leak, I mean, you can hear it when you're bolting it on, especially in a gas or an airline, where it'll be whistling and howling, and when it shuts off, it just shuts off like that. You know, some of the other methods that other people have used, gluing seals in and whatnot, those seals are known to be coming out when it's bolted on under pressure. We actually did some testing here with one of our competitors' fittings, and we blew the side seals out at 70 psi water pressure.
It's the safest fitting available on the market. Our split sleeves are 100% X-rayed. All the welds on the pressure containing parts are X-rayed.
Nobody else X-rays every fitting. We also include bolt-induced stresses, the bending stresses imposed by the bolts, which is a big force. When our customers call us, they usually have very positive, strong statements to make, such as, you know, we really like your products because they work. We know they work.
When it comes to quality, PLIDCO outperforms everybody.
Yeah, the philosophy at PLIDCO has always been that we're not striving to be the biggest. We're not striving to be all things to all people, but we are striving and we do believe, the best at what we do.